The gas prices are going through the roof right now, so it's not that hard to understand the reason why electric bikes are getting so popular nowadays. E-bikes offer a cleaner, safer, and cheaper way to commute across town. Just to give you an idea of how much the demand for e-bikes has grown, in 2019, the global electric bike market was valued at $4 billion. And in 2021, the number is around $17.5 billion. Amazon has a lot of amazing e-bikes to offer to you, but which are the best? In this video, we'll be showing you some of the best available options for e-bikes on Amazon. Number 10. Vivi 26-inch electric cruiser bike. When you try to find an e-bike that features affordability, good looks, and is easy to use, one name you'll come across is the Vivi 26-inch electric cruiser. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and 36-volt lithium-ion battery, the maximum speed it can reach is 20 miles per hour. The large-capacity battery can be fully charged in 4 to 6 hours, enough to meet the daily commuting needs. On top of that, with the Shimano 21-speed transmission system, you can deal with hills and bumpy roads, selecting gears according to different topography and weather. The bike also adopts a lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame for quick folding and easy storage. With a cost of around $720, it leans more into the affordable range. Number 9. Haybike Cityscape. This beautifully designed beach cruiser-style electric bike is well suited to urban riding or commuting. Traditionally a woman's e-bike in the pearl white color, Haybike has introduced the men's black edition for those looking for the perfect beachside cruisers. A powerful 350-watt motor, paired with an excellent 36-volt removable battery, gives the e-bike an excellent 40-mile range in pedal-assisted mode. The travel range is up to 25 miles under pure electric mode. Its step-through nature allows easy access for all users, especially those recovering from lower body injuries. The electric bike already comes mostly pre-assembled, so you won't have to waste time with a complicated assembly. With a price tag of $900, it's a good choice, especially for the ladies. Number 8. JayJen EB7. An electric bike that blends rugged capabilities, exceptional comfort, and affordable cost. Or that is what Meixsell is saying about their 20-inch fat tire EB7. This e-bike is equipped with a powerful 500-watt brushless motor, boosted to a max speed of 26 miles per hour, and conquers 15-degree hills with ease. The 48-volt lithium-ion battery achieves a range of up to 20 to 40 miles per charge. The additional features of this bike allow the rider to enjoy bike riding to the fullest. Like, it has a removable battery design, which makes charging more convenient. Then, it also features a foldable option, allowing it to fit into any compact space. Last but not least, there's a USB charging port on the display, so the bike can charge your phone at any time, even when riding the bike. With a price of $720, it also falls into the affordable range. Number 7. Avantrek Cybertrack 200. Avantrek is offering this fat tire e-bike, the company that was founded by a group of enthusiastic riders and entrepreneurs. According to Avantrek, they're committed to creating the best fat tire electric bike, providing solutions to power you through any terrain. First of all, it boasts a foldable design, so it perfectly fits in your RV, SUV, boat, or living space. When it comes to power, with 750 watts of peak output, all of your on-road and off-road adventures will become more enjoyable. It boosts the fat bike's top speed to 28 miles per hour by pedal. The removable 48-volt battery ensures you a cruise for 25 to 28 miles in all-electric mode and 32 to 50 miles in pedal-assisted mode. This fat tire e-bike can set you back $850 to $900. Number 6. VeloWave Ranger. If you're looking for an affordable fat tire electric bike that can handle sand, snow, and mud, the VeloWave Ranger looks like a good choice. With a 750-watt Bayfang geared motor and 48-volt lithium battery, the Ranger can go up to 28+ miles per hour and has a potential range of between 25 to 40+ miles per full charge. With smooth acceleration and great power tackling rugged terrain, steep hills or long flat plains will be a breeze for you. On top of that, the removable battery option makes your life easier, as you can simply remove the battery and bring it to your home or office to recharge. With a price tag of around $1,700, it's a good affordable mountain e-bike option. Number 5. TOTGuard 26-inch Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you're looking to explore new mountain routes, engage in a good workout, or simply use it for the daily commute, this TOTGuard electric bike might be the one for you. This bike is perfect for adults. Its maximum weight capacity is 300 pounds, and the bike features a front suspension fork and Shimano gears. This electric bike can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour when on the pedal-assisted mode, making it easy to pedal, even when you're riding on difficult terrain. The 36-volt battery means you can cover up to 37 miles in pure electric mode. Plus, the bike comes with a front suspension for a smoother ride and is able to handle steep hills. This mountain bike costs around $900 to $1,000. Number 4. Pedelec Mini 3.0. This lightweight e-bike can become your all-time favorite because of its affordability as well as ease of use. Only 3 steps you'll take to refold and unfold every time you use it. Because of a powerful motor with a peak output of 520 watts, and you'll reach a max speed of 20 miles per hour, the 48-volt lithium battery provides a strong mileage of 25 to 35 miles. Like most e-bikes, it also features 3 riding modes: electric mode, pedal assistant mode, and human-powered mode. The most interesting feature of this bike is the anti-theft alarm system, triggered by vibration, which can make a 113 decibel loud sound to draw people's attention and scare thieves away. For a price of around $750, you'll get a cool e-bike. Number 3. TOTGuard 27.5-inch electric bike. TOTGuard strikes the list again with its 27.5-inch e-bike, which makes cycling easier and helps to take the strain out of riding. Equipped with a powerful 500-watt high-speed motor, it will easily provide you with a max speed of 21.6 miles per hour. The removable 48-volt battery needs about 5 hours to fully charge. Depending on the mode you're going, this e-bike can provide you a mileage of 38 to 65 miles. A lockable aluminum suspension fork makes the bike ideal for mountains and steep roads. The 27.5-inch TOTGuard e-bike costs around $750 to $800. The bike comes 85% pre-assembled so that you get to enjoy your ride right away. Number 2. 14-inch Sailnovo electric bike. If a speed and budget-friendly electric bike are what you're looking for, you'll be happy to hear that the Sailnovo 14-inch folding e-bike goes fast, has a double brake headlight and taillight to control during the day and even in dark riding. Combining 3 modes for your choice: electric bike, pedal-assisted bike, and traditional bike. Enjoy your journey with this folding e-bike even during a traffic jam. The 36-volt lithium battery electric bike will zoom you at a max speed of 18.6 miles per hour with a mileage of 25 to 28 miles. All of these neat features cost around $530 to $560. Number 1. Meixsell Cybertrack 100. Meixsell, an up-and-coming electric bike brand's newest Cybertrack 100 electric mountain bike with a 2 times faster charge, is going hot on Amazon. Within a few days of its release, the Cybertrack 100 had dominated the electric bike category in Amazon's best-selling new releases. The bike features a powerful battery that charges rapidly in 3 hours and allows the machine to run for up to 37 miles on a single charge. Beyond outstanding battery life, the Cybertrack 100 delivers unparalleled power with top speeds of 20 miles per hour. The rider can choose between 3 riding modes: throttle, pedal assist, and normal. As for the price, it marks a pretty high score starting at $799. That's all for now. I hope you've learned all about the best electric bikes from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you're up to date on all the channel's updates. See you in the next video.